Okay, next one, photosynthesis. By the photosynthesis method, food making process in plants. How they plants making food by the photosynthesis method. Now, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Food making process in plants. Okay, what is the photosynthesis food making process in plants? Now here, leaves are the food factories of plants. Generally, in the plants, what are the food factories? Leaves. In the plants, plant leaves are the food factories of plants. Therefore, all the raw materials must reach the leaf. In the plant, that leaf, all raw materials must reach the leaf. Water and mineral present in the soil are absorbed by the roots and transported to the leaves. Okay. For suppose here, this is a plant. I am giving the roughly diagram. For your understanding only, I am giving this roughly diagram. Okay. Okay, for suppose this is a plant, these are the roots, these are the leaves. Okay, roots and leaves, this is a stem. Okay, now the root under the the root under the earth. Now how this plant make the food by the photosynthesis method? Leaves, these leaves are the food factories of plants. All the raw material must reach the leaves. All the raw material means, for suppose water and minerals present in the soil are absorbed by the, that minerals absorbed by the, this is a soil for suppose. Okay, in the soil minerals is there and water also absorbed from the soil. Roots are absorbed the minerals and water. Okay, water and minerals present in the soil are absorbed by the roots and transported here and transported to the, slowly transported to the leaves. Okay, carbon dioxide from air is taken in same way through the tiny pores present on the surface of leaves. These pores are surrounded by guard cells. Okay, such pores are called stomata. So what is a stomata? I will explain. But first you have to see, generally, leaves are the food factories of plants. The raw material must reach the leaf. Water and minerals present in the soil are absorbed by the roots and transported to the leaves. Okay. Leaves are the food factories of plants. Food factories of plants. Leaves are the food factories of plants. All the raw material must reach the leaf. All the raw materials must reach the leaf. Must reach the leaf. water and minerals present in the soil. Water and minerals present in the soil. Water and minerals present in the soil are absorbed by the roots. Absorbed by the roots. Are absorbed by the roots and transported to the leaves. And transported to the leaves. Okay, leaves are the food factories of plants. All the raw material must reach the leaf. Water and minerals present in the soil are absorbed by roots and transported to the leaves. And carbon dioxide from the air is taken. Next, carbon dioxide from air. Carbon dioxide from air is taken. Carbon dioxide taken in through the tiny pores. Through the tiny pores. Tiny pores present on the surface of leaves. Pores present on the surface of leaves. Present on the surface of leaves. Okay. These pores are surrounded by guard cells. Such pores are called stomata. Here, once you have to observe carbon dioxide from air. In the air, carbon dioxide is there. Plants required the carbon dioxide for respiration. So that's why from the air carbon dioxide is taken through the leaves. Here leaves is there. From these leaves are having the small pores. Okay, so tiny pores present on the surface of leaves. These pores are surrounded by guard cells. Such pores are called stomata. From these pores only that carbon dioxide will be absorbed by the leaves from the air. Okay, once you have to observe any leaves, in that leaves small pores is there. If you are observe carefully, means that small pores will be visible. Okay, from that small pores only that carbon dioxide will absorb by the plant. Tiny pores present on the surface of leaves. These pores are surrounded by guard cells. Okay, these pores are surrounded by guard cells. Okay, what is the guard cells? What is the cells? I will discuss. Okay, these pores are surrounded in guard cells. Surrounded by guard cells. Such pores are called stomata. Such pores are called stomata. Water and minerals are transported to the leaves by the vessels which run like pipes throughout the root, the stem, the branches and the leaves. Okay, they form a continuous path or passage for the nutrients to reach the leaf. They are called vessels. You will learn more about the transport of materials in plants. Transport of materials in plants in the that is the 11th chapter. We have to discuss deeply. Okay, but here simply you have to observe that the leaves having the small pores. From the pores they will absorb the carbon dioxide from the air, and these pores are surrounded by guard cells. Such pores are called stomata. Okay, that pores are called, what we can call that pores? Stomata. We can call stomata. Okay, in the next class we have to discuss about the cells. What is the cells? What is the cell membrane? What is the nucleus in the cell? What is the cytoplasm? Okay, everything we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.